Hey planner people, it's your girl Erica with Erica Makes Plans, and I'm here for yet another unboxing. Today I'm going to do Rongrong and Fern stickers, both of which are small, so this should go quick. And yeah, let me go ahead and open them up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've opened up the Rongrong box, taken out my invoice. This was in it. It says, plans are nothing, planning is everything. There's a code here, but here's Rongrong's social media information, should anybody need it. And so this is what I got from Rongrong. I got 2 pet tapes. Now, this one I can't open because I bought it for somebody, but it's the bookish one. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so I'm going to send this to my goddaughter to go with the stuff that I bought for her. Oh, what that is. Okay, and then this one I can open and get a knife. Okay, try this one. Okay. Let's see. I am trying to minimize the bounce as much as possible, but, you know, is what it is right now until I can get a more stable surface. Okay, so here's the pet tape. Is it pet tape or PET tape? I'm just going to call it pet tape because that's cuter. Okay, so this is what I got, the winter something. But look at that. So nice. Look at all the different buildings and snow globes and and I think we got, no, we still didn't get back to the first one. There it is. That's the one. I was like, wow. But yeah. So that's what I got, pet tape. And like I said, I'm not going to unroll the bookish because I'm actually going to put it in a package right now as soon as I'm done and send that package off so that my goddaughter has it for Christmas. Okay, so that's Rongrong. So let's see Fern Creek stickers. See what's in here. And I didn't order like a whole bunch of stuff from here either. Let's see if I've got, oh, my invoices in here. So let me take that out. But yeah, so this is what I ordered. Oh, got some freebies, it looks like. So this is a freebie, Winter Farmhouse freebie. It's got date, day of the week here, and a full box, and looks like a checklist box. And this looks like some deco. And then also as a freebie, this Hollow 2024, which is cute. So here's what I ordered. So I ordered this January monthly kit for plum paper. So I'll be using that soon because, wow, I can't believe how quickly December is flying by. But yeah, so this is the first page. And this is the sidebar sticker. And then here's the second page. Okay, and then I also ordered a super random overstock grab bag because you guys know how much I love a good grab bag. So I wanted to see what this one was about. It wasn't as good of a, well, I was going to say it wasn't as good of a value, but I don't know how good a value it is because I haven't looked at the stickers yet. It wasn't as affordable to get this grab bag as it is to get some of the other ones, but I mean, hey, I wanted to see what it was about, like I said. So this looks like a kit for a compact vertical, which I do not have, but I mean, some of these stickers are still very usable for me. So yeah, that looks like a kit. And then, oh, this is for a Moxie Life vertical with the date strips. I don't have a Moxie Life, so not a Moxie Life planner anyway. So there we go. Oh, these are cute. These are birthday stickers. This one I can definitely use. It looks like it's like a mini kit. Here's some deco. Some Halloween or yeah, Halloween themed. These are healthy habits, a water tracker, a produce tracker, and a workout. So yeah, that's cute. Huh, read. So obviously I'm going to send these to my goddaughter tomorrow. Grocery time, those are cute. I will definitely use those. Because I hate going to the grocery store, but I go anyway because I'm an adult, damn it. Oh, this is for a Plum A5. Huh. I'm not a flower person, but I can probably make these work. And the icons and the scripts, like them. Here's an October Plum A5. So, you know, I'm happy that I'm getting all this stuff that will actually fit in my particular planner. This is a Plum vertical. So, this is probably the 7x9. That's cute. A5 Moxie Life. It's very pink. I'm not one for a lot of pink, but I may be able to make this work like during Valentine's Day or something. I don't know. And then here's a Plum A5. Oh, this is a February. Oh, well now I have a decision to make because I already had a kit for February. but it wasn't specific to February, so maybe I'll keep that kit for March. We'll see. But this is cute. And I don't know. Yeah, it's cute. And here's a horizontal. I don't know what SO3 means. But, I mean, I could definitely use the dates and the icons and perhaps the little washi strip. Here's an Erin Condren notes. I could probably use these scripts. Oh, look at that. It matches this EC Monthly, which does not have... I could probably make this work. I'll have to trim this down a little bit, but I could probably... Yeah, I could probably make that work in my plum. And these look like they match. So you have the EC Monthly A and the EC Monthly C, no B. But these look like they match, kind of. Do these match? Yeah, this kind of matches as well. So, I mean, it's a whole kit. Oh, and this is for a petite, and it's the same kit. So, there we go. Oh, and paw prints. I can always use the paw prints because, you know, my puppy. So, yeah. So that's what was in this grab bag. So I'm sorry for the shaking. I really am. I'm going to fix it. So the paw prints, all these, this is the petite, the EC Monthly A, the EC Monthly C, and the EC Notes, and these all match. And then this horizontal Plum A5 February, Moxie Life February, Plum Vertical, Plum A5 October, Plum A5 November, some grocery, some that say tomorrow, some that say read, healthy habits. This is a October. It says 488. Does it match this other October? No, it does not. But it's cute. This is the, looks like a mini kit. It says MK, so I'm assuming that's for Moxie Life Vertical, but I mean, it's got date dots, it's got, I can use it. This are birthday stickers, Moxie Life Vertical. Oh, you know what? I think this also might match, and I'm right. I am correct. Matches these. How about that? How about that? All of these floral stickers, which is interesting because y'all know I'm not the flower person. And then this for a compact vertical, this kit. So all of that was in the grab bag. And then the kit I ordered was this January kit. So cute. And then the freebie was this winter farmhouse freebie and the hello. I don't know why I keep saying hello like that. Because when I think of hollow, I keep thinking holla. So, hello. Anyway. Ignore me. I'm tired. It's been a long week. And also I'm on decongestant, so I'm not in my right mind. I'm being a little crazy. So there we go. 2024, the Rongrong pet tapes, the winter houses for me, and the bookish for my god baby. So that's everything I got for this haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys check out Fern Creek stickers. I hope you guys check out Rongrong. And I hope if you enjoyed this, you would be so kind as to give me a thumbs up. I hope you subscribe if you have not. Because come on, who doesn't want to see what the heck I bought out here in these planter streets? But on that note, I'm out of here.